In this short video, we will cover how to successfully program the Genie garage door opener IntelliG 1000 Model 3024. This video is intended for professional installers only. Before we begin programming, familiarize yourself with the installation process as described in the installation poster. Follow the installation poster instructions to properly assemble and install the power head and rail. Install the safety beam system and associated wiring, and hang and wire the wall console provided in the box. Plug the unit into an electrical outlet as per the installation manual. It is very important to ensure the bullet is engaged to the carriage before setting the limits. To do that, pull the release handle down and toward the power head. Ensure the carriage is engaged before moving to the next step. The IntelliG garage door openers feature Smart Set programming technology to quickly and easily complete programming. The Powerhead software features the following menu of options: Remote Program, Limits Program, Speed Program, and Force Program. Using the Powerhead panel buttons, you can quickly access the necessary menu and complete your programming. To enter the programming menu, press and hold the Program Set button until the LED lights both come on blue. It begins in the Remote Program menu, but you can press the Open Travel button to move through the menus to Limits, then Speed, and then Force. The LED lights change to indicate a different menu. You can scroll back through the menu to return to Remote Program or any of the other menus. To enter your desired menu, press the Program Set button. To start over, wait 30 seconds for all lights to go off. To set the limits, first enter the programming menu by pressing and holding the Program Set button. Then, press the Open Travel button to move down the menu to Limits Program, and press the Program Set button to select Limits Programming. Press and hold the Close Travel button to set the door in the full close position. Press the Program Set button to save the Close Limit position. Press and hold the Open Travel button to set the door in the desired open position. Press the Program Set button to save the Open Limit position. To complete the limit setting, use the wall console to open and close the door one full cycle and set the force profile. The IntelliG garage door opener features Genie Sense monitoring and diagnostic technology that senses the exact amount of force needed at every movement of the door to automatically set the force profile. The opener will automatically set the force profile during the first full open and close cycle after setting the limits. To adjust the force profile, simply enter the Force Program menu on the Powerhead panel and make necessary changes. Detailed instructions on changing the force settings are available in the troubleshooting section of the operations manual included with the unit. To program the included IntelliCode 2 remote, first press and hold the Program Set button. Then, press the Program Set button again to select the Remote Program menu. Press and release your desired remote button. Press and release the remote button again. And finally, press and release the remote button a final time to operate the door. The remote is now programmed. To program an IntelliCode 1 remote, you must have an IntelliCode 2 remote available and already programmed. To begin programming the IntelliCode 1 remote, first press and hold the Program Set button. Then, press the Program Set button again to select the Remote Program menu. Press and release the Already Programmed button on the IntelliCode 2 remote. Then, press and release the desired button on the IntelliCode 1 remote. Press and release the button again. And finally, press and release the button to operate the door. The remote is now programmed. To program an IntelliCode 2 wireless keypad, first set the pin. To begin, press and hold the Program button and the up-down arrow buttons until the lights go out. Then press 3, 5, 7, Program. Enter the pin and press the program button and wait for the lights to turn off. The pin is now set. Next, on the power head, press and hold Program Set to enter the programming menu. Then press the Program Set button again to enter the remote program menu. On the wireless keypad, enter your pin number and press the up-down arrow button once. Then press the up-down arrow button again. Then press again to operate the unit. The wireless keypad is now programmed. These model openers feature diagnostic codes via the LED lights on the power head. Refer to the manual for detailed information to help you translate those codes. For additional support, contact the Genie Technical Support Line at 1-800-843-4084, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time.